Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Anna Grows. So today I'm going to be doing the potatoes, and I'm doing like a lazy way that I found on how to plant them. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that, and then let me show y'all. I had got some lavender, and then I got some basil. So I'm gonna do the basil with the string beans. They say that that's good to plant together, so I'm gonna do that with that. And they said it helps to for like pests like flies and stuff like that. It kind of help keep those away, and these are like good to plant together with the string beans. So I'm gonna do the basil with that. But yeah, when I went there, I saw some lavender, and I was like, okay, that'll be nice. And then hubby had saw these, and these are Dusty Miller. And he was like, this might look nice next to the lavender. So I'm like, yeah, that is kind of way, kind of it is. It's real nice together in the colors and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna plant these together. And just got the bin from Home Depot while I was there. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. Oh, let me show y'all. So these right here are the string beans. So yeah, those are doing good. So this is where I'm gonna put the basil. I'll probably put the basil right there. Yeah, I'll probably put it right there. These right here are the peppers. Look how good that's growing, y'all. So this big one is the green bell pepper. You can kind of see them right there. And then the ones around here are the banana peppers. Yeah, banana peppers are these smaller ones. And then, like I said, this real big one is the green bell pepper. Tomato plant, it looks okay. I did hear about like how you should prune some of it, so I'm gonna do that today of what I think it needs. Like this definitely is, these are done for. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go through that to see if I know what I'm doing. But yeah, but see some tomatoes. Oh, they got one right there. Where's it? Right there, that looks good. Another one right there. So I guess it's okay. I don't know. This one's kind of been confusing to me, to say the least. So yeah, and then the lemon plant. So yeah. All right. So like I said, I'm gonna get this started. For the lavender one, I was researching, trying to see like what soil, and so they said that it's good to do like cactus and citrus soil for the fast drainage, draining. So that's the soil I'm going to use for that. And then I heard that it's good to put mulch on top, so I'm going to do that as well once I'm done with everything. So yeah, that's what it's looking like today. I totally forgot about the cucumbers, so I might I might do that this weekend. And yeah, I'm brave out here today with something sleeveless on. Yeah, I'm real brave because the mosquitoes is out. They out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the soil whipped up. And oh, I gotta get the potatoes. So what I did for the potatoes, I just got a bag of organic potatoes and basically just let them come to like sprout. So that's what I'm using, because I didn't do it from like seed or anything like that. Yeah, or however you do potatoes, however you start them off, I didn't do it that way. I'm just doing it from getting the doggone potatoes from the store. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna put y'all down because y'all know, like I say, y'all will fall if something try to come on me and I'm holding y'all. So put y'all down. I'm gonna just get to it, and hopefully I can do all this today, because I always like I guess overhype myself of thinking of what I can do in the time that I have before it gets dark. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. Don't. Okay, y'all, so I don't know. I'm trying to make sure that I'm not I'm trying to make sure I'm not burying them too deep. I don't know if that's a thing. So I'm kind of stopping, and I have some soil left. So I think I might just put some in these, because again, I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not burying it too deep. I don't know, because I think they're like, okay, this is probably about right here. They're probably like right there. I don't know. We gonna see. Whew. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. But I think I'm gonna use the rest of that soil just to put into these. And I do need to, matter of fact, I can go ahead and get the basil. So I think I'm gonna put it here. Okay, so I went ahead and used up all of the soil, put a little bit in the tomato plant. I don't know the correct way to prune. It's just if it if it looked dead, I just snapped it, y'all. I don't know if that's the correct way to do it, but if it looked dead, listen, I'm good for if it's something looking dead, it's getting cut off. Like, it's getting cut off. So hopefully that will work because I've done it like with my money plant. When the leaves look dead, listen, snip, snip, cutting it off. So I did the best I could, and just like I said, what just looked at wilted and dead, I just tore that joke off, plucked it off. So, and then put a little bit of the soil in there as well. Put a little bit of fertilizer on like the top part of the soil for the potatoes, and then mix it in. So I just have to water everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the flowers, and then adding the mulch. So it looks like I'm gonna get everything done that I said I want to do today. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to these flowers. Oh, go it. Alright, y'all, it's dark, battery about to die, but I'm just go ahead and show y'all everything. And I completed everything I want to do today. So and I put the mulch in it as well. And then the potatoes. This is so pretty. All right, y'all. So it's getting dark, so go ahead and close this video out. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below so I can talk to y'all. And thank y'all for tuning in to your girl. Thank you for tuning in to Anna Grows. And I will see y'all on my next video. Bye, y'all.